Imagine a world where bicycles feel like cars, yet give you the freedom of pedal power. These 18 bicycle cars are not just bikes, they're futuristic machines that blend speed, comfort, and cutting-edge design to transform how we move through cities. From sleek velomobiles to high-tech pedal-electric hybrids, each one is built to wow, impress, and make daily travel smarter and greener. Whether for commuting, errands, or just pure fun, these vehicles push the limits of human-powered innovation. Join us as we explore the most incredible bicycle cars ever made. Let's get started. DAYU Car-eBike Mark I. The DAYU Car-eBike Mark I presents a new vision of human-powered transportation by combining the practicality of a bicycle with the comfort and protection of a small vehicle. Developed by DAYU Motor, this futuristic design introduces a mobility concept known as a car e-bike, created to make urban travel more efficient and sustainable. The Mark I uses a four-wheel layout that improves stability and balance while riding, while its enclosed body helps protect riders from wind, rain, and changing weather conditions. A distinctive design feature is the removal of the traditional A-pillar typically found in cars, which helps reduce blind spots and improves overall visibility on the road. The vehicle also includes an integrated artificial intelligence system that adds smart capabilities to the riding experience. In addition, flexible solar technology allows sunlight to provide supplemental energy during travel, supporting a cleaner and more efficient approach to modern urban commuting. Organic Transit Solar Elf. The Organic Transit Solar Elf is a unique example of how human-powered transportation can evolve through innovative engineering and sustainable design. Created by the company Organic Transit, this solar-assisted velomobile combines the efficiency of a bicycle with the practicality and protection of a small vehicle, offering a new approach to eco-friendly commuting. The Elf features a distinctive three-wheel layout and a lightweight protective shell that helps shield riders from wind and rain while maintaining efficiency on the road. It operates using pedal power supported by an electric assist motor, making it easier to travel longer distances or climb hills with less effort. A roof-mounted solar panel helps recharge the lithium battery by capturing energy from sunlight while riding or parked outdoors. The vehicle also includes LED lighting, mirrors, turn signals, cargo storage, and a durable aluminum frame designed for daily urban travel, presenting a practical and environmentally conscious transportation solution. Velomobileworld Bulk Race. The Velomobileworld Bulk Race represents a new level of performance in human-powered transportation, designed for riders who want maximum speed and aerodynamic efficiency using pedal power alone. Developed by Velomobileworld, this advanced velomobile combines innovative engineering with a racing-focused design to create a streamlined vehicle built for long-distance riding and high-speed cycling. The Bulk Race blends the front section of the Bulk MK1 with the aerodynamic tail of the Bulk Distance, forming a shape optimized to reduce wind resistance and improve efficiency on the road. Its fully enclosed body allows riders to maintain higher speeds while using less energy compared to traditional bicycles. The Velomobile also follows a modular design approach, allowing different configurations based on rider preferences and comfort needs. Riders can choose between different cockpit openings for easier entry or improved aerodynamic performance, while adjustable knee bump options help accommodate riders of various sizes and riding styles. Envo Veemo. The Envo Veemo is an innovative bicycle car designed to make daily commuting cleaner, more efficient, and more comfortable. Developed through advanced engineering, this futuristic velomobile blends the efficiency of a bicycle with the protection and practicality of a compact vehicle. The Veemo features a lightweight composite body and a stable three-wheel design that helps improve balance and control during urban travel. Its semi-enclosed structure protects riders from wind, rain, and sunlight, while still allowing them to enjoy the health benefits of pedaling. Riders control the vehicle using handlebars and generate power through pedals, while a 750-watt electric assist motor provides additional support when needed. The system combines human energy with battery power to create a smooth and efficient ride. With a top speed of around 32 km per hour and a range of up to 100 km per charge, the Veemo offers a practical and eco-friendly transportation option for modern city commuting. VIGOZ Cixi. The VIGOZ Cixi is a cutting-edge three-wheel velomobile that redefines human-powered transportation by merging the efficiency of cycling with advanced electric vehicle technology. Designed as a fully enclosed bicycle car, it aims to provide a cleaner, faster, and more sustainable commuting experience. Its most remarkable feature is the pedaling energy recovery system, which replaces the conventional chain drivetrain. Instead of mechanically turning the wheels, the pedals generate electronic signals that control the motor, allowing the rider's effort to influence speed and power while reducing maintenance and mechanical complexity. The VIGOZ can reach speeds of up to 120 km per hour and offers a real-world range of around 160 km on a single charge. Its enclosed cabin, seating for a passenger or cargo, seatbelts and tilting suspension combine comfort, safety, and futuristic design to create an innovative commuting solution for modern urban travel. Podbike FRIKAR. The Podbike FRIKAR is a groundbreaking bicycle car that combines human pedaling with modern electric technology to create a comfortable, efficient, and eco-friendly commuting solution. Developed by the Norwegian company Podbike, the FRIKAR features a fully enclosed aerodynamic cabin that reduces wind resistance and protects riders from harsh weather, while its four-wheel design enhances stability and safety. The vehicle uses an innovative pedal generator system where pedaling powers electric motors in the rear wheels, providing smooth assistance that allows speeds up to 25 km per hour, with downhill speeds reaching 50 to 60 km per hour. Practical features include about 160 litres of cargo space, room for one adult, and an optional child seat, LED lights, indicators, and protective crash zones. With a battery range of 60 to 90 kilometers, extendable with additional batteries, the FRIKAR demonstrates how pedal electric vehicles can transform urban commuting into a sustainable and futuristic mobility experience. Bio-Hybrid Duo. The Bio-Hybrid Duo is a futuristic bicycle car that blends the efficiency of cycling with the comfort and protection of a compact vehicle, offering a smarter and more sustainable solution for urban commuting. Developed by Bio-Hybrid, a mobility startup with roots in the Schaeffler Group, the Duo features a four-wheel design with a roof and windshield, shielding riders from wind and rain while providing space for a passenger without compromising agility. Power comes from a combination of human pedaling and two 250-watt electric motors, allowing speeds of up to 25 km per hour and a range of around 50 km, extendable to 100 km with a second battery. Modern features like LED lighting, turn signals, full suspension, hydraulic disc brakes, digital display, GPS, and 4G connectivity bring car-like functionality to a compact, eco-friendly vehicle. The Duo demonstrates how pedal electric technology can transform urban mobility into a sustainable, practical, and intelligent commuting experience. DryCycle. The DryCycle is a futuristic bicycle car designed to make commuting more comfortable, practical, and sustainable in all weather conditions. Created by engineer and cyclist Andy Murphy, this four-wheel pedal-assisted vehicle combines the efficiency of a bicycle with protective features typically found in compact cars. Its fully enclosed body and polycarbonate bubble canopy shield riders from rain, wind, and cold, while a welded aluminum frame with crumple zones enhances safety. The DryCycle uses a combination of human pedaling and a 250-watt Shimano Steps E8000 electric motor, allowing speeds up to 25 km per hour and a range of 30 to 50 miles depending on conditions. It comes equipped with modern enhancements such as gear-assisted pedaling, reliable disc brakes, front and rear shock absorption, built-in lighting and signaling, a reverse function, and optional additions like a cabin heater or wiper system. With its enclosed design, electric assist, and car-like safety, the DryCycle transforms traditional cycling into a futuristic, efficient urban mobility solution. CityQ Car-eBike. The CityQ Car-eBike is a four-wheel electric bicycle that merges the practicality of a car with the efficiency of a bike, offering a modern solution for urban commuting. Developed by the Norwegian company CityQ, this compact vehicle is designed to replace short car trips while keeping riders protected from rain, wind, and cold with its enclosed cabin, roof, windshield, and rotating side doors. At just 87 centimeters wide, it fits easily in bike lanes and navigates busy city streets. The pedal-electric hybrid system combines rider pedaling with a 250-watt motor, reaching speeds of up to 25 km per hour and a range of 70 to 100 km with two batteries. Its software-driven drivetrain replaces traditional chains and gears, providing automatic gearing, reverse mode, cruise control, regenerative braking, and mobile app connectivity. The CityQ Car-eBike shows how human-powered vehicles can evolve into practical, smart, and sustainable urban transport. Pedilio Solar Velocar. The Pedilio Solar Velocar is a groundbreaking human-powered vehicle that combines cycling, electric assistance, and solar energy into a practical four-wheeled velomobile. Designed to replace short car trips, it offers an efficient and eco-friendly solution for urban commuting, Riders provide pedal power, which is enhanced by an electric motor to maintain speed and climb hills more easily. Its solar roof captures sunlight to recharge the battery while driving or parked, enabling daily trips of 20 to 30 kilometers, often without external charging, and extending the standard 70 to 100 kilometers range by an additional 20 to 30 kilometers under good conditions. The design protects riders from rain while leaving the sides open for visibility, and a rear cargo area accommodates shopping or supplies. With independent suspension and four-wheel stability, the Pedilio delivers a smooth, safe ride, showing how solar-assisted human-powered travel can be practical, sustainable, and enjoyable for everyday urban mobility. Northern Light e-bike car. The Northern Light e-bike car from Northern Light Motors is a three-wheeled human-electric hybrid that blends the efficiency of an e-bike with the protection and comfort of a compact car. Developed by UK-based startup Northern Light Motors, founded by designer Graham Brown, this innovative vehicle aims to offer stylish, practical, and weather-protected alternatives for urban commuting. The lineup includes several models, from the pedal-only 428 blue to electric-assisted 557 green and fully electric 630 red versions. All models feature a lightweight composite body, hydraulic disc brakes, suspension, LED lights, and a protective cockpit. The 557 green provides electric assistance for up to 50 miles, with speeds around 40 miles per hour, while the 630 red offers a larger battery and up to 28 miles per hour top speed. Incorporating pedal power in some models, the Northern Light e-bike car demonstrates how compact, hybrid vehicles can make sustainable urban mobility practical, efficient, and enjoyable for modern commuters. Swapa Zip. The Swapa Zip is a futuristic ultra-compact electric micro-vehicle designed to make urban commuting smarter, more efficient, and sustainable. Developed by Swapa Global and distributed in Europe by Falanti Motors, it is classified as an L6E light electric quadricycle, bridging the gap between e-bikes and microcars. Measuring just 2.52 meters long, the Zip easily navigates crowded city streets and fits into tight parking spaces. It is powered by a 4 kilowatt electric motor and two removable lithium battery packs totaling 6.45 kilowatt-hour, allowing a top speed of 45 kilometers per hour and a range of up to 100 kilometers on a single charge. The modern cabin accommodates 2 passengers in line and features a 12.3-inch touchscreen, 4G connectivity, climate control, and advanced parking aids. Its quick battery swap system adds convenience, making the Swapa Zip a compact, tech-savvy, and emission-free alternative to short car trips for city life. Nimbus One. The Nimbus One is a futuristic three-wheeled urban vehicle that combines the agility of a motorcycle with the protection and convenience of a small car, redefining city commuting. Developed by Nimbus Inc., it features a fully enclosed cabin and a tilting three-wheel layout that leans into turns, giving riders a smooth and intuitive driving experience while shielding them from wind and rain. Its compact size helps reduce traffic congestion and makes parking easier than traditional vehicles. Inside, the Nimbus One includes car-like features such as a steering wheel, seatbelts, airbags, optional heating or air conditioning, Bluetooth connectivity, and a digital display with room for a passenger or extra cargo. Electric powered, it offers a range of up to 93 miles on a full charge and a top speed near 50 miles per hour. This innovative design presents a sustainable, efficient, and practical solution for modern urban mobility. Mubea U-Mobility Digital X. The Mubea U-Mobility Digital X concept showcases a futuristic approach to urban mobility, blending human-powered and electric micro-vehicles into practical solutions for city travel and logistics. Developed by German lightweight specialist Mubea, the concept brings automotive engineering expertise into emission-free, sustainable vehicles. At Digital X 2024 in Cologne, Mubea presented its lineup of pedal electric cargo bikes, four-wheeled urban transporters, and the folding Mubea X-Board e-scooter, all designed to handle last-mile delivery and dense city commuting efficiently. Unlike traditional bicycle cars, these vehicles combine lightweight design, electric power, and automotive-grade safety, aiming to reduce congestion and cut pollution while providing practical and flexible transport. The U-Mobility concept demonstrates how smart, sustainable micro-mobility can support everyday users and businesses, showing that urban transportation can be cleaner, faster, and integrated with modern digital solutions, paving the way for greener city life. Acticycle. The Acticycle is a futuristic human-electric pedal vehicle that bridges the gap between a bicycle and a small car, offering a sustainable alternative for urban and peri-urban travel. Developed by French company Acticycle, it is an ultra-light four-wheel quadricycle with a protected cabin and ergonomic seating for 2 adults or 1 adult with 2 children. The Acticycle uses a pedal-electric hybrid system, where rider effort is assisted by an electric motor, and an optional second battery extends the range up to 70 to 90 kilometers on a single charge. It features hydraulic disc brakes, reinforced 20-inch wheels, sturdy suspension, and a lockable 170-liter storage trunk for commuting or errands. Top speeds reach around 25 km per hour with basic assist, while more powerful versions can go up to 45 km per hour where permitted. Compact, efficient, and low impact, the Acticycle demonstrates how human-powered mobility can evolve into a practical, everyday alternative to cars in modern cities. PodRide. The PodRide is a Swedish bicycle car hybrid that combines human-powered cycling with car-like comfort for everyday commuting and errands. It has an enclosed body that shields riders from weather while providing an elevated seating position for improved visibility and a comfortable ride. Powered by a 250-watt electric motor with bicycle-style gearing, the PodRide can reach assisted speeds of around 25 km per hour and provides a motor-assisted range of about 60 km on a single charge. Weighing approximately 70 kilograms with a slim 75 centimeters width, it fits easily on bike paths. It includes features such as a heated windshield, wipers, cushioned seat, air suspension, studded winter tires, and an optional trailer for cargo or children. Classified as an e-bike under EU law, the PodRide shows how enclosed, pedal-assisted vehicles can offer comfort, sustainability, and practicality for urban transport. Twike 5. The Twike 5 is a human-electric hybrid vehicle that combines the efficiency of a bicycle with the comfort of a small car. This 3-wheeled design from Twike GmbH features an enclosed cabin with seating for 2, offering weather protection, storage space, and ergonomic comfort while remaining lightweight for urban travel. Its human power hybrid system allows riders to pedal to generate electricity, extending the battery range while providing fitness benefits. Steering is done via side sticks, giving precise control and a unique driving feel. The Twike 5 can reach top speeds of around 190 km per hour and offers ranges from approximately 250 km up to over 600 km, depending on battery configuration, making it suitable for city commuting and longer trips. With pedal assistance, electric propulsion, and aerodynamic design, the Twike 5 demonstrates how sustainable, practical, and exciting human-powered vehicles can be.